Alright, it's day 5 in Iceland, and today we're going along the southern coast to see some waterfalls, caves, and just some southern landscapes. First stop is Seljalandsfoss. I'll put the correct spelling here. We're here to see some waterfalls.
Don't go chasing waterfalls or something.
The cool thing, oh my gosh, you're almost falling.
We are close to the waterfall. It is so misty. Wow.
Woo. A little cold.
Oh my god. Slippery too. Oh. Here's the waterfall. And we can actually walk behind it. Woo. Now, if you thought that waterfall was awesome, apparently there's this secret hidden waterfall. Legend has it that you have to hike a whole 10 minutes to get there. So we're about to go find out. We're gonna get soaked and wet some more. Stay tuned. Oh. Oh my god.
We almost just lost our camera in the freezing. In the cold stream.
Oh my god.
Woo! But she lives to see another day.
We're on our way down south, and across our road trip we came across this cool looking cave. Just want to go check it out.
It's said to have magical properties.
Ah, nice. Maybe.
After quite the scare from Saval, I was worried to enter this little house of magical powers.
Smells like cow dung.
But as we inched closer and closer, we saw who yields such magic in this cave.
Nice.
It was trolls!
Make a wish. And you have to sacrifice your firstborn child.
After some more exploration, we set our sights on the next destination.
Oh, making our way up to the cave. Oh!
Loftsalahellir Cave was absolutely gorgeous, with its moss-covered walls and panoramic views of Dyrholoas Lagoon and the Dyrhólaey area.
Narnia. I'm going to Narnia.
After exploring around a bit, we began to learn that what goes up does not always as easily come down.
You'll hold me when I come down.
Let me get you.
My shoes have no traction. Not the best shoes to come up here on. Okay, we're good. We made it. Look at the puffins. More puffins.
Next, we headed to Dyrhólaey itself to catch glimpses of the black sand beach, Reynisfjara. This short hike gave us some of the best views yet. Sit on it?
Sit on it or sit?
Yeah, just sit.
It's just scary, no.
What happened, Mr. Adventure Man? What happened, Mr. I like the adventure stuff.
Wait, they can happen an earthquake. See that stuff? Yeah, I'm done.
And there's a glacier right over there. Okay, we're at Fjardarárgljúfur. The
What she said.
Icelandic. I'll put the name right over here. The Icelandic words are really challenging my phonetics. But we're here. We're told it's like a very nice overview. It's like a canyon with some nice views, and I believe it ends at a waterfall. So fingers crossed that it does.
All right. Let's do it. So hike should only be about 45 minutes for this. Let's take a look.
Luckily, Google Maps didn't lie, and our hike ended at the Mögáfoss waterfall. Soon, we ended our travels for the day and headed to our campsite.
So we're starting to get a lot better at camping. We got heaters and all these other stuff here. And tonight on the menu, our food's getting better too.
Some chicken sausage, pasta, broccoli, and pesto.
Ooh.
And we're at the base of a glacier.
And we might be hiking there tomorrow, so
Stay tuned.
stay tuned.
Small. Wait, you? I just fell.
I was like, ooh.